Hello, my name is Glenn, the Milstead Collision Manager, of course, and we're excited to be here today working, fixing a lot of cars, and want to let you know we're here for you as well. We are, of course, picking up your vehicle and willing to drop it off when it's done as well. We've got several ways to help you through the process, convenient online pay options. We try to make this process as easy and carefree as it can be for you because we know it's a stressful situation and, of course, stressful times. So dealing with an insurance company is not something you should have to endure. It's something we would like to do for you, of course. We will guarantee our repairs for a lifetime on the vehicle, and we're here for you for whatever you need. Not only collision guys, but we've got a great automotive department that's ready to service your vehicles, keep them maintained for you. And if you find yourself needing a tow, we definitely have a tow truck for you as well. So if there's anything we can do for you, come see us here, conveniently located on Rayford Road at Milstead Collision, West Hawthorne Drive at our automotive location. Thank you so much, and you have a very, very blessed day.